In dating, sincerity and thoughtfulness are crucial. From listening, being confident, and paying attention to appearance, to punctuality, respecting personal space, politeness, and showing gratitude, every detail contributes to making a good impression. 1. Listen carefully. Make sure you pay attention and listen to what she says. Listening carefully is extremely important when dating. When you truly listen, you not only show interest, but also respect for your partner. This is especially important with women, as they often feel valued and understood when their partner listens sincerely. To listen effectively, maintain eye contact, nod, and respond positively. Don't interrupt or abruptly change the subject. Instead, ask questions to gain a deeper understanding and encourage her to share more. Remember the small details in her stories to bring up in future dates, showing that you genuinely care and pay attention. Listening not only helps you understand her better, but also creates an open and honest communication environment, fostering trust and stronger connections. By listening sincerely, you not only make a good impression, but also lay the foundation for a meaningful and lasting relationship. 2. Be confident, but not arrogant. Confidence is attractive, but avoid becoming arrogant. Be yourself and show confidence naturally. Confidence is an attractive trait, but needs to be displayed naturally and humbly. When you are confident, you not only draw attention, but also create a sense of safety and reliability for your partner. However, confidence does not mean being arrogant or self-satisfied. Let your confidence shine through your conversation, interaction, and handling of situations during the date. A relaxed smile, upright posture, and maintaining eye contact can effectively convey confidence. At the same time, be open to listening and respect her opinions, showing that you are not only confident, but also respectful of others. When you are confident yet humble, you create a strong and positive impression, making the date more comfortable and enjoyable. Remember, true confidence comes from being yourself and not trying to be someone else. By doing this, you will not only make a good impression, but also lay a solid foundation for a lasting and meaningful relationship. 3. Pay attention to your appearance. Make sure you dress neatly and tidily. This not only creates a good impression, but also shows respect for her. Paying attention to your appearance is a crucial aspect of dating, as it demonstrates respect and consideration for your date. Before going out, take the time to prepare thoroughly. Choose appropriate, neat, and clean attire. Personal grooming such as shaving, combing your hair, and wearing a light fragrance also helps create a positive impression. Select an outfit that reflects your style, but is also suitable for the occasion and venue of the date. Your appearance isn't just about your clothes, it includes how confidently you carry yourself. Standing tall, smiling comfortably, and maintaining eye contact can make you appear more attractive. Taking care of your appearance not only boosts your confidence, but also shows that you have made an effort to prepare for the date, which your partner will undoubtedly appreciate. Remember, appearance is just one part of who you are. Confidence, openness, and a positive attitude also play significant roles in making a good impression. By paying attention to your appearance and demeanor, you not only create a memorable date, but also lay the groundwork for a meaningful and lasting relationship. 4. Be punctual. Arrive on time or a little early to show respect for her time. Punctuality is an essential aspect of dating that reflects your respect and consideration for your partner's time. Arriving on time for a date demonstrates that you value the occasion and the effort your partner has put into preparing for it. Being punctual shows that you are reliable and responsible, traits that are highly appreciated in any relationship. To ensure you arrive on time, plan your journey in advance, taking into account possible delays, such as traffic or parking difficulties. Aim to arrive a few minutes early to account for any unexpected issues that might arise. If you anticipate being late, communicate with your date as soon as possible to explain the situation and provide an estimated arrival time. This shows that you are considerate and respectful of their time. Punctuality also allows you to start the date on a positive note, free from the stress and anxiety of running late. It sets the tone for an enjoyable and relaxed experience for both of you. In essence, being on time is a simple yet powerful way to make a good impression. It reflects your respect for your partner, your responsibility, and your enthusiasm for spending time together. By prioritizing punctuality, you show that you are serious about the relationship and considerate of your partner's feelings and time. 5. Show genuine interest. Ask about her life, interests, and passions. This demonstrates that you truly care about her. Showing genuine interest in your date is crucial for building a meaningful connection. When you ask about her life, hobbies, and passions, it demonstrates that you value her as a person and are keen to understand her better. Engage in active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding and responding thoughtfully to what she shares. Avoid distractions and focus entirely on the conversation. Asking follow-up questions shows that you are genuinely engaged and interested in what she has to say. This not only makes her feel appreciated, but also opens the door for deeper, more meaningful conversations. Genuine interest helps to create a comfortable atmosphere where she feels safe and valued, laying the foundation for a strong and lasting relationship. By showing that you care about her thoughts and experiences, you make the date more enjoyable and memorable for both of you. 6. Avoid talking too much about yourself. Strive to maintain a balanced conversation. Don't turn the date into a monologue about your life. Maintaining a balanced conversation during a date is essential to ensure both parties feel valued and heard. Avoid dominating the discussion by talking excessively about yourself. Instead, aim for a two-way interaction where both of you can share and engage equally. When she speaks, listen attentively and respond thoughtfully, showing that you are interested in her experiences and opinions. Share about yourself, but do so in moderation, and always link back to her interests and stories. This balanced approach fosters a mutual exchange of thoughts and ideas, creating a more dynamic and enjoyable conversation. It demonstrates that you respect her presence and contributions, making her feel appreciated and important. By maintaining this conversational balance, you set the stage for a more connected and harmonious relationship. 7. Respect personal space. Don't pressure her into doing anything she's uncomfortable with. Respect her privacy and boundaries. Respecting personal space is crucial in any relationship, especially during the early stages of dating. Ensure you are mindful of her comfort levels and boundaries. Avoid actions that may make her feel pressured or uncomfortable, such as invading her personal space or insisting on physical contact. Pay attention to her body language and verbal cues to gauge her comfort. If she seems uneasy, take a step back and give her space. This respect for her boundaries shows that you value her feelings and autonomy. It helps build trust and creates a safe environment where she can relax and be herself. By honoring her personal space, you demonstrate maturity and respect, which are key components of a healthy and respectful relationship. This approach lays a solid foundation for a deeper connection based on mutual respect and understanding. 8. Be polite and respectful. Hold the door, pull out a chair, and show basic courteous actions. This demonstrates that you are a gentleman. Demonstrating politeness and respect through small gestures can make a significant impact during a date. Simple actions like holding the door open, pulling out a chair, or saying please and thank you reflect good manners and consideration. These courteous behaviors show that you value her presence and are attentive to her needs. Politeness extends beyond actions to how you communicate. Speak to her with kindness and respect, avoiding any form of rude or dismissive language. Additionally, being respectful involves listening to her opinions and treating her as an equal partner in conversation. By consistently showing politeness and respect, you create a positive and comfortable atmosphere that can enhance the overall dating experience. This approach not only leaves a lasting impression, but also sets the tone for a respectful and caring relationship moving forward. 9. Limit phone use. Avoid constantly checking your phone when you're with her. This shows that you respect and care about the date. Limiting phone use during a date is essential to show that you are fully present and engaged. Constantly checking your phone or responding to messages can make your date feel unimportant and ignored. Instead, put your phone away and focus on the person in front of you. This act of undivided attention demonstrates respect and genuine interest in the conversation and the time you are spending together. If you must use your phone for an urgent reason, explain briefly and apologize for the interruption. By minimizing distractions, you create a more intimate and meaningful connection. This not only helps in building a strong rapport, but also makes your date feel valued and appreciated. Prioritizing face-to-face interaction over digital distractions shows maturity and respect, which are crucial elements in fostering a positive and lasting relationship. 10. Show gratitude. Thank her for spending time with you and compliment her if you truly had a great date. This helps create a good impression and makes her feel appreciated. Expressing gratitude at the end of a date is a simple yet powerful gesture that leaves a positive impression. Thank your date for their time and company, acknowledging the effort they put into the evening. A sincere thank you shows that you appreciate their presence and enjoyed spending time together. Complimenting specific aspects of the date, like a great conversation or a fun activity, adds a personal touch and reinforces your appreciation. This act of gratitude not only makes your date feel valued, but also sets a positive tone for future interactions. It demonstrates your politeness and thoughtfulness, which are attractive qualities in any relationship. By expressing thanks, you create a warm and respectful atmosphere that can help build a stronger connection and pave the way for more enjoyable dates in the future. Remember that every woman is different, so the most important thing is to always be yourself and listen to understand her.